So pretty much every person that I know that uses vinyl has heard of using these IKEA little storage hacks. These are actually originally for trash bags or garbage bags or Walmart bags, whatever bags. Either way, they kind of suck for holding vinyl, but everybody thinks they're really good. So I'm going to show you a better way to do it so I can take all 8 of these off my wall. Okay, so that's the last of the holes, and we can finally take it apart like this. Okay, so now that we got this thing up here, we're ready to get rid of these things, so thanks for watching.